Welcome to Himalaya Siddha Kriya Yoga. How to deal mind? Yes, this is the question many people asking. How to deal mind? How to separate ourselves from the mind? Yes, it is very difficult if you think, but if you start working on that, we have to do something. We have to get information first. We must get some knowledge about mind. Many people doesn't know that mind is separate, body is separate. I am separate. Our yogis, gurus told body, mind, intellectuality and soul. Sharir, Man, Buddhi, Atma. Yes, they told like that, isn't it? So, there are four things. But then, who am I? Many people say, who am I, who am I, who am I? You are you. You are you. Then we have to ask, then what is this body? What is this mind? That inquiry that gives you right information about yourself. But we are not asking like that. We are becoming body. I am that. Becoming mind. I am. So I am thinking, I am doing, I am eating, I am giving, I am taking. So whatever the activities going on through body, you are thinking that I am doing. That is me. The thoughts you are getting and applying in situations in life, you are thinking that I am thinking, I am doing, I am thinking, I am getting the result, I am successful. That is generally 80-90% people are thinking like that. What else? I am that. I worked a lot, I got that. How you worked? Through body you worked. So who made you to work? Mind. Remote control is mind. Yes. So that is, if you start knowing that working, so okay, I am doing, I am get success. Sometimes I am not getting success. Afterwards I am knowing that, I did mistake. Why? How it is? You yourself did. Again you are telling, I am sorry, I did mistake. Why you are saying sorry? Why that duality? What happened? In the beginning what happened? Now afterwards how you realized that I did mistake? This story, all this system, we have to understand with open-mindedness, open heart. Yes, mind, if you analyze mind, there are two faces to mind, like a coin, two sides. This mind, मन को दो तरीका का, दो स्वरूप है. Yes. एक शुद्ध मानस, एक अशुद्ध मानस. Pure mind, impure mind. Two sides. Both are one. In total, mind only. So, what is pure mind? What is impure mind? When you think positive, divine things, that is through pure mind. When you are thinking worldly and emotionally, negative, harming others, criticizing others, all are through impure mind. Impure mind. That is how we have to understand. Same mind, same person, suddenly he is changing his behavior. Suddenly changing behavior. Suddenly become friend. Within minutes, within hours, within days, he is becoming enemy. Yes. He changes his word as per mood. Mood means mind. He changed his mood. Sorry, I changed my mind, my mood. I don't want to. How you change? I want to. My mind is not accepting. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha Om. What is mind? What are you? If he question who is changing, so mind is not accepting. What about you? Here we can understand who am I? The answer for who am I? So who is recognizing this way? So who is saying that my mind is not accepting? That is how we have to slowly, with complete awareness, we have to separate and understand. Separate and understand. Otherwise, very difficult. This is a big task. Body cannot work. Body is having all the things, energies, but somebody have to inspire. Sometimes some mosquito, if mosquito is biting somewhere here, your hand is immediately hand will go and catch it. Yes. How you acted? What happened? Who suggested? Who asked you to raise the hand? How body reacted? It is going. It is pinching you. That mosquito is eating, pinning. Pain started. Who recognized pain? Mind, not body. Body recognized pain. Immediately it suggested. It's a servant, it's friend. Body is mind's friend, no? So he told, you go and catch it. You go and heal it. You go and just pat there. Paining is there. Pain is there. Because mind is not having any form. Minding is just recognizing power, thinking form, thinking status. No physical acting status. It uses body. So how to go in deep to recognize body, mind and separate ourselves from them. I am separate, they are separate. I is separate, we are telling. So how to do means, first starting step, you have to decide to know it. Second, you have to live in Sakshi Dhyan, witnessing status. You have to sit very comfortably. You have to keep your body somewhere in chair or on floor or wherever it is comfortable. You keep your body, you sit there, you feel my body is now here, it is comfortable. Let make comfortability. Anyway, in any posture, no problem. But one thing, your spine must be straight. Spine cord must be straight. So that spine, you understand, okay, my spine is good. Okay. Remaining everything. Head also straight, very calm, very comfortably. Don't pressure, should not struck. Just comfortably, yes, very nice. Head also very nice. Comfortably. Then you start living in witnessing the things. Maybe thoughts, maybe some sounds, maybe anything. Just witness. Without judging, without calculation, without holding, attaching. Just go on witnessing. Oh, this is tomorrow's matter. This is 5 years back I met. Okay, that thought. Okay, no problem. That is old. This is for future, about future. Yes, okay. Just you see in witnessing status, Sakshi, Sakshi, Sakshi. You are witnesser. You are seeing everything. You are not at all any judge or no, not a worker, doer. You are just to recognize, oh, this person is like this person is like that. That is happening, that is happening. Okay, okay. Just you have to observe and witness. Like this, you have to sit in 10 minutes minimum. 10 minutes minimum. If possible, 2 times in a day. If you do, you will understand. You do it for 21 days or something. Fix some days. Don't be hurry. You have to habituate it. You have to adjust with it. No. We never did. In the beginning, mind come and why you are doing like that? Come on, like that something. It will affect you. It will disturb you. Thoughts will come and disturb you. They will take you with them. You may go to future. You may go to past. Be careful. Don't. Be clear about. I am witnesser. I am not a doer. I am not thinker. I am just witnesser. Okay. तुम आया क्या? ओके आ गया क्या? चलो बैठे तो बैठो, जाना है तो चले जाओ. और क्या है? और कौन है? और क्या चल रहा है? और क्या चल रहा है? और क्या चल रहा है? This way, just witness, become witnesser and sit for 10 minutes daily with complete awareness. Yes, awareness. You practice this step 21 days or something, you will certainly start knowing something. Okay, you can go to next step. Understanding next step. What is body? What is mind? What I am. In that process, this is the first step to be applied practice. Okay? Thank you. I love you. Happy.